Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about simile and metaphor. Similes and metaphors are both figures of speech that are used to make a comparison between two things that are not alike. Simile. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things in a way that makes them similar. It uses words like, or as to show the comparison. It is also known as an indirect comparison. Similes can be used to create vivid imagery or to draw surprising connections between two unrelated things. They are commonly used in literature, advertising, and everyday speech. Example of simile. She swims like a fish, which means she is a great swimmer just like a fish. Metaphor. A metaphor is a direct comparison between two things. Metaphors do not suggest one thing is like another, but they declare that one thing is another. They are also used in literature, advertising, and everyday speech. Example of metaphor. Time is a thief, which means time steals moments from your life just like a thief. Simile versus metaphor. Comparison. Use of words. Category. If you liked the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.